There's a munchkin bot. There's my little munchkin bot. There's my munchkin bot. We're going munchkin bot. Where's that little munchkin bot going? Oh, here, Trumpy. Trumpy must have gone to bed. I didn't see him. That silly kitty cat. Yeah, that'd be Trumpy too. That'd be Trumpy Pa. They're my big boys. Put some light on something. Oh, about kitty cats in the corner. My kitty cats in the corner. Oh my God, my Pa. Look at that Trumpy Pa. Look at that, my munchkin Pa. And there's my big Trumpy Pa. You silly boys. Oh, he didn't go get him. That big Trumpy boy. Boom. What? Yeah. That's my little kitty cat. That's my silly kitty cat. That's my silly boy. I tried big silly keys. What big guys? What big kitties? I'm a big guy. And then a big kitty. That's a little munchkin pie. Come in, big guy. You got your big kitty. Come in. Silly boys. Come on, silly boys. I got my silly boys. I got my silly bots. My boy, my bot, my bot, my bot, my bot, my bot. Not that Trumpy bot. Not that Trumpy bot. Good time. Good time. Okay, I'm gonna get a kitty cat food. They want their food. Yeah, they're a petting. They don't want their dinner. Huh? Yeah, they want their breakfast. Okay. Am I late for something? Huh? What, Trumpy Bot? I wonder when you ran away. What am I late for? Am I late, Munchkin Bot? Yeah. Where was Mommy when it was snack time? Yeah. I know, yeah. I know, baby, it's snack time. Trumpy's begging and saying, Mommy, come on. Come on, Mommy. Trumpy, you're so cute. You silly guy. You're right. You're right, Trumpy. We'll get it, baby. We're getting it. I think I'm getting it. Just a second, this love's being stubborn. I'm being stubborn dad. We get it, Trumpy Bot. Baby, you can make yourself tired. You can make yourself tired begging, silly boy. You silly guy, look at that butt. Okay, here, let's feed Trumpy. He's begging away. Whoop! Got a headbutt, huh? There you go. There you go. Okay, Munchkin Bot. Yeah, you're stealing him out of the can, aren't you? Silly butt. There you go. Silly boy. All right. Mama, sorry I'm late. The silly eye doctor always takes all day. There we go. There we go. Happy pappies. There, my Trumpy Bot. Over there washing pretty. Pretty kitty. Did you know you're snacky bites? Sorry, girl. Eat all your snackies. Big purr bag. Okay, Mama's gonna go out, find me something to eat. Says about, well, how you gonna get to Mama? Yeah, that's okay. Big purr. It's big purr baby. I'm gonna hear that big purr all over the place. Big guy. Okay. I'm gonna go eat something myself.
Thank me. But Dad has the right to watch football. Oh, Sharon, you're just mad because something about wrestling. I don't care if you won't let me watch
My
wrestling.
Trumpy
Dad has the
Bob.
right to watch the football game.
What cutie
Oh,
cutie?
no, baby, just go see
What
it.
a big guy.
Sharon Curry.
You looking for Munchkins?
Smarty.
He was up here, I don't know where he
Yeah,
went.
yes, I am.
Where'd he go? Where'd he go, Big Trumpy?
Sharon Curry, I could Spain. Well, go ahead. And,
He says,
I'll
I
make sure
don't
you
know,
get some.
Mom.
Baby, go sing your tune.
What big cutie? Well, what? What's that?
My favorite one was Sharon
Silly
doesn't get
guy.
any hamburger french fries because of watching wrestling or whatever.
Silly
She was
Bob.
making them for you guys, but then she made me some.
Silly Bob.
'Cause I just-
What big kitty?
What I hate is go to the bathroom right before bed, right?
Yeah, I always do that.
Get up, you know.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I went. My big guy. What's up with my big Trumpy? And Mama talking loud. Yeah, I know I'm a loud talker. They make you nervous? Nah, you know Mama not yelling at you. Where'd that munchkin go? Yeah, that's some more pooper scooper. We got enough pooper scooper for a while. Oh, I don't see Munchkin anywhere, Cumberpot. Big guy. Big silly boy. Head rub, baby. Get their head rub on that box. Yeah, you like to try to eat the tape off of them. Huh. Big guy. Big kitty. Big kitty. It's a big kitty. Like Ellie would say. Ellie. Big kitty. Big kitty. Right on, Trumpy. Goofy guy.
My favorite one was
That guy Trumpy up in his tree. You haven't been up in your tree in a long time, big guy. I seen you up there yesterday. And they could go to today. Yeah, okay. You're ready going to sleep up there? Yeah. Big spoiled boy. Yeah, your mama big spoiled kitty. Yes, you are. What? You big spoiled kitty. Yes, you are. Mama big spoiled kitty. Okay, Mama gonna go sit in the chair, all right? Big gooey guy. Mama could go sit in the chair. Enjoy the tree. Keep an eye on things. Yeah, big guy.